Hi everyone, it's Galen Martling. Today I have a mini slimline card with poppy flowers, and I'm going to show how I made this with two-step stamping using Unity stamps. I have poppy impressions, heart to heart, and gotta love sentiments for the stamps. And so the poppies are two layers of stamps. One is the solid layer and one is like an outline. Now, the solid layers are not completely solid. They are distressed on purpose, so they will show a little bit of the color of the cardstock when the stamping is finished. So I use yellow card base for this, or cardstock, to stamp on. It's a smooth cardstock in yellow, but any color will do. It will peek through and show a little bit of that color. Now I stamped twice, but I'm only showing one pass for the stamping, in this case just for time sake. Now I go ahead and place the outline right over the other solid stamp impression there, and then I go ahead and restamp it with a little bit of a darker ink, and so that will show the outline of the flower. And no coloring is needed for this project, which is wonderful. You can use these stamps without any additional coloring and it works just fine. Very pretty. Lots of different samples at Unity and lots of different ways to use this stamp. So after I finished the stamping, I decided, instead of laying them flat and having them all on one piece of cardstock, I'd stamp them separately like this and cut them out, which is just fussy cutting, or you can use the dies, die cut them if you have the dies, and then you just make a background for it somehow. You can use a background stamp, but I use the script stamp that comes with the kit here. And so I made some mistakes. I stamped one of the scripts upside down, and I also have a little ink blotch, a fingerprint blotch that I needed to take off. So I used a sand eraser to erase my ink blotch there, and I just made the script work. I just added, it's just part of the background just fine. I'm not sure anybody would notice. So I placed the flower right over that, a little bit over that. And with flat double-sided tape, I placed the big flower in the center. And then I add the two other ones on foam tape to the side. It overlaps a little bit. I wanted it to overlap a mini slimline shape there for the card base, and it's going to fit perfectly into an A2 size envelope for gift giving or for greeting card giving. And so now I just finished it with adding the sentiment and some adhesive gems. And there you go. There's my A2 size envelope to go with it. I hope you like it and give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.